Then take a look at the PHIXERO 1TB P5 portable SSD. So there's the drive. We can see it has a very neat little pointed texture on there. Got a USB-C port in the bottom. Looks like an LED indicator. Got a tether point on the top and a very nice looking finish on there. It does come with a tether. And we have our cable that is a USB-C to USB-A, but this also has an adapter on it, so we can turn that into a USB-C to USB-C. My laptop uses Thunderbolt 3, so I'm going to use a USB-C port. And it did pick that up right away. So I'm going to copy and paste 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. And that appears to be running at about 340 megabytes per second. Okay, so no heat buildup, that's very good. And it does play those files. So now let's do a speed test. So it is a little warm, but it's definitely not hot, so that is excellent. So for the sequential 1x8 process 1 thread, we got 466 on the read and 437 on the write. For the sequential 1x1 process 1 thread, we got 429 and 388. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 146 and 189. And for the worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 20 and 76. So excellent speeds on here. Now they do make one called a P20, which runs at about 4 times the speed, but it does cost a little bit more. If you don't need that speed, the P5 is going to be an excellent option for that. It's also worth keeping in mind that about 500 megabytes per second is definitely nothing to sneeze at. That's way faster than the standard thumb drives that we're all used to. So overall, that is an excellent little drive.